Alright, so currently we are waiting on the UPS man to deliver my package. So I'm just gonna sit out here until he or she comes and deliver my package. I cannot wait to get this package. So you guys are gonna sit here with me, not the whole time though. Yeah, next time y'all see me, y'all see the truck. Hey, package coming. No. FedEx ground. I'm looking for UPS. God damn it. He don't even know where he going. And we continue to wait. Man, that's an Amazon Prime truck. All these goddamn trucks coming down the street. But it's not UPS. UPS, can you please touch down on my street in my neighborhood? Please, I'm losing it. Come on, man. God, man. Hey, don't y'all hate it when, like, y'all got friends, y'all they order their stuff and it comes on time, or whenever they just ask for it, it comes. But when it comes to you, like, it's a delay. Damn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put a big baby right here. What's going on? You alright?
Yeah, you ready to work, huh?
You already know.
Yeah, I got a big box for you, huh?
I know.
You go get ready.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing today?
Sorry. Sure. Yes, sir.
Where you going with it?
Alright, honestly, you can put it right here.
Nah, man, I ain't gonna leave it right here.
You put it right here. I mean, I gotta do some. I'm recording. I'm doing some. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Yes, sir. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. I don't appreciate you coming late, but you came anyway.
Yeah, most days once they get their stuff.
Yes, sir. I got my package. It's going down. All right, man. As you see, we finally got the package from the UPS, man. Shout out D for delivering this package finally from UPS. But most of all, shout out to BORLA Exhaust. We built assignment. I cannot wait to open up this box. First of all, let's inspect the box because it looked a little banged up. Flip it, rotate it. Golly, this thing went through some hell. I don't know, loading it up or whatever, but I don't know if to put that on BORLA or UPS. But anyway, got the package. I'm ready to unbox it, man. So we're about to move this thing forward, unbox this, and show y'all what type of BORLA exhaust I got, man. So. It is time to open the box. So, cut this open. Make sure I open it right. Alright. Let's see what we got, boys. Oh, man. Wait, that was something. Huh?
Everything in the box.
Yeah, I'm checking it now. So as you can see, I went with BORLA ATAK. Not A-T-T-A-C-K. A-T-A-K. Attack. But, looks good. Nice and, well manufactured, welded. I'm not gonna take everything off. but I at least I want you guys to see the tips. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Woo! That's nice right there. Take a look at that. See that? BORLA. These are some nice tips, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad to give it to you. Some nice tips. But we just can't check on the tips. Let's see if everything else is in the box. One muffler down. Two mufflers down. But I never seen the combination for a BORLA in the X pipe in person, but I seen the Corsa double helix X pipe, and that thing is pretty long. But I never knew. I wouldn't think that BORLA X pipe would be this little, but X pipe. Oh, okay. You get a BORLA hat, huh? Oh, okay. BORLA Attack. Those are some nice shiny tips, man. Instructions for installations. Instructions. Okay. Oh, that's what we was looking for. They believe in Jesus. Okay, it's coming along with it. But those are the clamps we were looking for, and that's it, man. Woo, I'm hot. I'm sweating. Getting all this stuff from out the box. I had to cut the footage a couple times, but y'all get it. Y'all see, man. This box is empty, and clamps and everything, man. That's stuck. I don't feel like dealing with that. But basically, man, y'all already know what time it is. It's about that time. I didn't get a chance to do a couple of things. Few things, not even really one actual thing with my 2018 before I got totaled out. But this time, this baby right here, it's about time. Ain't that right, Simba? Yeah, Simba even know it. Car's dirty, rims, brake dust, but I'm gonna clean it up. You know, ain't no thing. Y'all finally see what I got. So I don't know when I'm gonna get it put on. I'm gonna get it put on soon, but this video right here is just finally modifications. It finally came, delivery. So other than that, man, subscribe, like, comment, drop them opinions in the comment section below. But y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to get busy. It's time to get loud. I was going with Corsa. For a second. I mean, last year I did go with Corsa. I had bought them, but I was gonna put them on the week that I had the accident, but I sent them back. But you know, Corsa, they're loud, they're tony and everything. A lot of people like to get real detailed with it to my deep tone. Also, because there's deep tone and all that. Really low. I like Corsa, I do, but this time I did it up. I just switched it up. I haven't seen no decent clips of the BORLA attacks on like 2019 Mustangs or whatever, but I'm bringing it to you. So, man, other than that, follow me, hit me up on Instagram, DeAndre_10K. Snapchat me, Hook_10K. I reply back on both social media app. And make sure you subscribe, man. DeAndre10K, man. As you see, everything is 10K. I keep it 10K. But other than that, man, perfect setup. And then, man, y'all just don't know, man. Some know, but some don't know, man. This journey is gonna be real good, but man, I can't wait. I really can't wait. BB's BORLA.
Lucas.